Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Maddie. Today I'll be designing something different. I'll be dropping a series on real estate flyers. So as you can see, let me start from the beginning. As you can see, different type of real estate with their free PSDs. I'll be dropping all of them. You can see it's very nice and simple and straightforward. Mind you, this yes home is just a fictional real estate. It's not real. It's just fictional. It's not real at all. I just did it just to for this tutorial purpose. That's why I created this yes home. So let's start with this one. With this one. You can see on your screen now. You can see this kind of design. It was inspired by Natch Crystals. Let me show you his page. Okay, this is Natch Crystals on Pinterest. So I decided to do almost the same thing, and just to educate you guys a little bit. You see different types on Pinterest. You see different designs on Pinterest, so you can create your own. It's very simple, but for this tutorial I'll be creating just this one. So as you can see, what I did here was very simple. So let me break it down for you. I'll be dropping this PSD file in the link below. So you can start by creating a new page by pressing Ctrl N on your keyboard. Sorry, it's taking a while to locate. Ctrl N. Then I use 2000 by 2000 pixel for my design. So what I did next was I converted the background into a color overlay using color overlay, so you can see. I'll do it for you. You see what I'm saying now. So what I did there was to come here and create a new background using this color code FA. So let's come here. You see what I'm saying right now. You see, unlock this background, color overlay. You type, paste your FA. You can see FA. Now there's what we call color burst or shape burst, rather, anyone you want to call it. What I did was to bring in this shape here. Let me copy it to my new page. This shape like this. As you can see, you can try to align it to the center or something. Now this shape, let me change it the blend mode to, let me remove the color overlay and use 100%. So you can see this was the PNG I got online. It's called Sunray PNG online, Sunray. So what I did was to add color overlay, reduce the opacity to 3%. Very simple. So you can go to your color overlay by clicking on this. You see color overlay here, so you can change the color of that particular one. So what I did next was to bring in this background. I got it from PNG egg online. You can paste it. You can do different styles. It's your design. So, and also I use this text. This text is called MTN Brighter Sun. Okay, sorry, it's taking a while to load. It's MTN Brighter Sun. So if I double click now, you can see MTN Brighter Sun extra bold. Now you can do this also. You've double clicked your text layer already. You can select this tool like this. You can change the color of this one to this. It's very simple. You can do it anywhere you want to do it. You can do it anywhere. It's very simple and straightforward. So what I did next was to bring in this image. I also got it on Pinterest. You can place it like this. Sorry, it's loading. You can paste it. You can do it anywhere you want to do it. It's very simple. Anyhow, you can bring this leaf too. This leaf layer too. You can bring it like this. You see, it's already shaping up already. It's very simple and straightforward. it's loading. You can bring this. Now you can bring this behind the text, behind the image, so as to make it look natural behind the image. Now for the final stage, we would, this our flare. I got it online, so I'll bring my flare down like this. Sorry, something like this. Sorry, I opened too many tabs, so it's taking a while to load. It's a very simple and straightforward video, so you can place it like this. I changed the blend mode though. If you see it is normal, you can see normal is like this. I changed the blend mode to linear dodge add, so you can press alt and drag to duplicate your image, your image rather. Yes, you can duplicate the flare. Then you can now bring in your other text. You can add different things you want to add. Now like this layer here, what I did was to draw. Let me do it for you from the beginning. See my polygon right here, polygon. If it's not showing this, you can right click on this, right click like this, and click on your polygon. Sorry, click on your polygon like this, then hold your shift and draw. Now you can come to your layer here. You can say, okay, I want other sizes, something like this. Then you can now reduce this to something like this. You can see you've gotten your shape. Then you can now add color to this. You can add color to this shape. Anything you want to add, just keep doing it. It's very simple and straightforward. So what next? Let me check what next. You can add your text, you can add shadow, you can add stroke to it. Just do anything you want to do. It's very simple and straightforward. So that was exactly how I got this design. So if you have questions, just ask me in the comment section and I would answer it. Thank you.